Welcome to your Create with Pinky. In today's video, we are diving into creative and colorful handmade designs perfect for personalizing your letters, cards, or projects. From beautiful floral patterns to elegant swirls and intricate details, each design is a blend of simplicity and artistic charm. Stay tuned for step-by-step inspiration and unleash your creativity with these unique ideas. Welcome to this vibrant countryside artwork, bursting with creativity and colors. Let's take a closer look at the details that bring this drawing to life. At the center, we see a cozy little house painted in warm yellow and orange tones. Its slanted roof, small window, and door give it a homely and inviting feel. In front of the house stands a charming orange wooden fence, surrounded by beautiful red tulips and lush green leaves. To the left, a large tree trunk takes shape with intricate brown patterns. From its branches hang a delightful array of colorful flowers, red, blue, and pink, that add a lively touch to the scene. Suspended from the tree's branches is a neat blue-bordered banner, perfectly blank for adding a personal message or decoration. The green shrubs and bushes at the base complete this serene countryside setting. Next, this artwork features a beautiful floral design surrounding a circular frame. The flowers are colored in a vibrant purple, accented with orange centers, while the leaves are shaded with a refreshing green. The circular frame is adorned with a scalloped pattern in a rich purple, giving it a unique decorative touch. This design is perfect for crafting greeting cards or personalized messages. Then, here we have an elegant drawing of a peacock as the centerpiece, surrounded by a semicircular arrangement of bright yellow, orange, and pink flowers. The peacock's feathers are filled with a rainbow of colors, transitioning seamlessly into the floral arrangement. The use of vibrant green leaves complements the vivid tones, creating a balanced and lively composition. Now, this design showcases a heart-shaped floral arrangement, drawn in a bold red theme. The flowers and leaves gracefully intertwine to form the heart, with detailed petals and neatly shaded green leaves. The border of the artwork is decorated with a scalloped and heart pattern in red, adding a charming and romantic touch to the piece. Next, This delightful composition features a vibrant butterfly perched on one side of a circular floral frame. The butterfly's wings are adorned with shades of blue, pink, yellow, and purple, creating a stunning gradient effect. Surrounding the frame are dainty flowers and vines in soft pink and orange hues, accented with green leaves. This cheerful design is perfect for invitations or decorative art. The second design depicts a colorful three-tiered cake with a lit candle on top, symbolizing celebration. Each tier is uniquely colored in pink, yellow, and purple, accented by creamy, fluffy edges. Above the cake, there's a festive banner of yellow and orange flags. A ribbon at the bottom adds a space for a name or special message. The third image is an elegant border design. It features intricate floral patterns in bold red hues, starting with a prominent flower in the bottom corner, complemented by flowing vines and delicate swirls. The scalloped border surrounding the page gives it a classy and artistic feel, ideal for certificates or invitations. The final image presents a playful puzzle piece border. Each piece is colored in soft pastel shades of blue, yellow, pink, and green, creating a cheerful and engaging frame. This versatile design is great for children's activities, school projects, or adding a unique touch to creative documents. Now, this beautiful design showcases a unique, artistic border featuring vibrant floral elements and swirls. On either side, we see red and purple flowers with detailed green stems and leaves, adding a touch of elegance. At the center is an eye-catching blue curved shape resembling a butterfly wing, surrounded by graceful teal swirls. The dotted lines in the middle provide a space for text, making this design perfect for personalized letters, cards, or creative projects. This drawing is not just a picture, it's a story of warmth and imagination. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share,